Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really good. I am back with another exciting recipe. So this recipe we are going to use finger millet, that is ragi. The summer is already here and the heat is a lot. So I thought why not make ice cream using finger millet. This recipe is very simple to make. It's healthier. It does not have any refined sugar in it. It can be made in just few minutes and it tastes really good. Before moving on to the recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and let's go make the healthiest ice cream.
So first we're going to take a bowl, add some water to it, and then we're going to add the ragi mixture to it. Keep mixing it really well till a nice smooth slurry is formed. Make sure that there are no lumps into it. So once we are mixing it, keep this aside. Now we're going to take a pan. You can take a saucepan, anything is fine. I'm putting it on an induction, but you can put it on the gas. Medium is fine. Add water to it, and then we are going to add the ragi slurry to it. So we are going to let this slurry boil till it becomes thick. This is going to take some time. Also, instead of water, you can add milk also, and then add the slurry. With the milk, it will get thicker faster. So now we've added this. Keep mixing it and let it boil till it becomes really thick. The thicker it is better for your ice cream. So now you can see it is boiled really well, and I always use the whisk or the spatula to see that if it's sticking on the spatula or whisk, to know how thick it has become. So you can see that it's boiled really well now, and I'm just with the spatula and with the whisk, I'm just checking how thick it has become. The quantity that we put before is going to be half in size. So now this is done. I have added jaggery to it. You can add any other sugar, but I prefer jaggery, and I'm adding a little bit of vanilla essence. Again, you can add any other flavor to it. Keep mixing it till the jaggery melts really well and it's mixed properly. So keep mixing this, and even in this process it is going to get more thicker. So once this is done and the jaggery is also mixed well with the ragi, it's going to look like a custard. You're going to keep it aside. So you take a bowl, add this mixture and let it cool down properly. So that's very important. So let it cool down properly in the fridge. So once that is done, so now you can see it looks like a custard mixture. I'm putting it in a bowl and I'm going to keep it in the fridge for some time till it cools down. After this is done, we're going to take a beater, add the ragi custard to it. So for that process also, you can add bananas, you can add any other fruit that you like. So now I've taken a blender, added peanut butter to it, and then after that I'm going to add the ragi slurry, but you can add mango, anything. Make sure that they are frozen. So you cut them into slices, freeze them overnight, and then add it to this mixture. It gives a nice volume. So like 1 scoop of whey protein, that is something also that you can add in this mixture. So now you can see I've added everything. I'm just going to blend it really well so that it becomes a nice smooth texture. It has to be really smooth. The peanut butter also has to be mixed really well, and now you can see how the texture is. I'm just taking the spatula and mixing everything just to see that everything is blended really well. I'm going to put this in a bowl, top it up with some nuts. You can top it up with anything that you like, and we're going to set it in the fridge for at least 8 hours or overnight, whatever is before. So now I'm adding it with a lot of nuts, but even if you want, you can do fruits, whatever is your preference. I just cling wrapped it so too much ice is not formed on the top, but that is optional. For me, it was overnight that it's set properly. For you, it can take 8 hours, 9 hours also. And this is a very perfect recipe for summers. It's even healthy and it tastes really good. Also, you can follow me on Instagram if you want more such healthy recipes. The link is in the description. So you can see the ice cream is ready. It tastes very good and it's best for the summers. So you get a really good healthy option. Hope you like this recipe. I'll see you soon in the next video.